Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up the Canon MAXIFY GX7020 printer on your computer. So whether it's a Windows, Macintosh, or Linux device, in today's tutorial we're going to go through the setup utility of getting that configured. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your web browser of choice and just go ahead into Google and search for Canon MAXIFY GX7020. Go ahead and search for that. Go ahead and select the Canon support for MegaTank MAXIFY GX7020. Go ahead and select that. And then scroll down on this page so you can see help guides up at the top. But if you scroll down underneath downloads and select software and drivers, select the correct operating system and version number if it's not automatically populated in here, and then go down a little bit further and select the driver setup package and select download. It shouldn't take very long, and then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file. It should be a verified publisher, Canon Inc. Select yes, close out of the web browser at this time. You don't have to have it open, or maybe you do, it doesn't really matter. Either way, select start setup, and then select next. It's going to begin checking for latest driver and software updates. And then once you get to the license agreement, select yes, and then agree. Now you want to select your connection method, whether it's Wi-Fi, wired LAN, or USB, and then you would select next, make sure the printer is powered on, then you just would proceed through the installation setup here for the GX7000 series printer, and that's all you have to do to get your Canon MAXIFY printer set up. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.